Hey my friends, welcome back to my page. It's your girl Marceline here once more, and today we're going to be making some juicy fall off the bone oxtail. Starting off, I have here some oxtail seasoning. I'm going to add some of that along with some garlic powder, onion powder. I also have some burnt sugar. We're going to add some of that, and we're not adding too much because the oxtail naturally gets darker after it's cooked and sitting, so you don't want it to be too black. So we're just going to add just a little bit, and we're going to go straight into cooking this. We're not going to do any marination. I have my saucepan here. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. The oxtail is naturally fatty, so you don't want to add too much oil. And then we're going to allow it to heat up, and we're going to sear our oxtail. So we're going to give it about a minute and a half on each side. You don't have to do that. If you have a large pot, normally what I do is I just stir it up while it's searing. Now I'm just going to cover it just for a couple minutes just so that it can produce its own liquid, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour some hot water from my kettle in there. After pouring the hot water, you know it's going to take a while to cook unless you're going to add it to your instant pot or pressure cooker. So what I will do is every 10 minutes interval, I'm going to go ahead and add more hot water. So to keep the flavor, we're going to add some chopped onions, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic. And we're going to constantly add water until our meat is tender. All right, once your oxtail is nice and soft, you're going to go ahead and re-season the pot with some more scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and also a piece of thyme. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and make our Spinnas. And I know most or all Jamaican know how to make Spinnas. We just have flour, salt, and a little water until our dough is firm, and then we just pinch and roll and drop in the pot. All right, we're going to give the Spinnas a few minutes, and then we're going to add our beans. At this point, I won't cover my pot. I will leave it open so that the liquid can reduce down to a gravy consistency. So whenever it reaches your desired consistency, you can go ahead and turn it off. For me, I like when my oxtail gravy is semi-thick. I don't like when it's too thick. So when it reaches my consistency, I just go ahead and remove it from the stove. This was Sunday dinner, and I served it with some lovely rice, some plantains on the side, and some green beans and carrots. So all I did was boil the green beans halfway through along with the carrots, and then I add some butter to my pot, some garlic powder, and a little chicken seasoning, and then I just stir fry it and serve it on the side. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I really appreciate the love and support that I got from you guys throughout 2022, and I hope 2023 gets bigger and better for all of us. Have a blessed and lovely week.